The surprising truth about the company that secretly rules the world. Everyone has heard of Google, Facebook, and Amazon, but not many people realize that there is a fourth company behind the scenes that rules the world. That company is called Blackrock, and it's very secret about how it rules the world's economy with its $10 trillion in assets under management, including nearly 1/5 of all U.S. stocks, more than any other hedge fund or private equity firm in the world. In fact, if you own your employer's stock or bonds, chances are they belong to BlackRock as well. The history of the company. BlackRock is a global investment management company. They're headquartered in New York City, with offices in 30 cities around the world. It's one of the largest and most powerful investment managers in the world, managing nearly $6 trillion worth of assets. So what even is BlackRock? Well, BlackRock was founded in 1988 by Lawrence Fink, who wanted to build an organization that would offer investors a full range of products and services to help them meet their goals and plan for their future. BlackRock has grown so much since then. They now manage over $6 trillion worth of assets. So what even is BlackRock? BlackRock is not a traditional bank or mutual fund company, but rather an asset manager, someone who buys and sells securities. As the name suggests, they have deep roots in the financial industry. BlackRock offers both wealth management, offering advice on investing, and also offers risk management, all while providing a wide range of investment vehicles, including exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are portfolios that track the performance of a market index like the Dow Jones Industrial Average. There's been so many different business ventures from BlackRock over the years. So what even is BlackRock? These days it's hard to find someone who hasn't invested money with this company in some way or another. So if you don't already invest with them, you should think about it. The services offered by the company. A company called BlackRock was founded in 1985 and quickly grew to become one of the world's most powerful corporations. BlackRock offers a number of services, including investment banking, asset management, and management consulting. So what even is BlackRock? BlackRock is a multinational corporate behemoth that has grown so large that it controls huge chunks of the global economy, but it's largely invisible because it doesn't sell products to consumers. As they note on their website, unlike many other financial firms, we do not offer consumer banking or lending products. It would be easier for you to name another major global corporation that isn't part-owned by BlackRock. Chances are you can't. The clients of the company. It's surprising to find out that one company can have such a huge impact on a culture. But, when you think about it, it makes sense. In America, for example, this company has infiltrated every corner of our lives. They're in all of our stores and supermarkets, and they're on the radio and TV. You might not see them or even know their name, but it's likely that you interact with them every day without knowing who they are or what they do. This company is none other than Walmart. Walmart has been an American icon for decades now. Their low prices make them an affordable option for most people. With more than 4,000 stores nationwide, no matter where you live, chances are good that there is a Walmart nearby. Walmart is also known as the leader in international retailing and more recently the leader in e-commerce. As of 2017, Walmart had revenues of $485 billion per year, which made it the 25th largest corporation on Earth according to Fortune magazine's Global 500 list. 4. The controversies surrounding the company. BlackRock, the world's largest investment manager, has become an increasingly influential Wall Street player in Washington, D.C. The firm has hired notable policymakers over the years, and at least 3 leaders with the New York-based asset manager on their resumes now hold prominent roles in President Joe Biden's cabinet. Former BlackRock investment executive Brian Deese leads Biden's National Economic Council, effectively serving as his top advisor on economic matters. Biden also tapped Adewale Adeyemo, a former chief of staff to BlackRock chief executive and longtime Democrat Larry Fink, to serve as a top official at the Treasury Department. Meanwhile, Michael Pyle, BlackRock's former global chief investment strategist who had worked in the Obama administration before joining the firm, serves as chief economic advisor to Vice President Kamala Harris. But unlike Goldman Sachs, a household brand name synonymous with executives leaving finance to go shape public policy, BlackRock isn't as well known to people outside the investment industry. The future of the company. This company is called BlackRock. I am not sure how many people know about them, but they have a massive influence on what happens in this world. I had never heard of them until now, and it turns out that they are one of the largest owners of major companies in America, Europe, and China. They also own significant portions of both national and international debt. Basically, If you live in America or Europe, you are probably touching Blackrock every day without knowing it. There are only 5 other corporations in the world with more assets than BlackRock: J.P. Morgan Chase & Company, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, FMR Corporation, Vanguard Group Incorporated and State Street Corporation. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, so that you never miss any amazing video from us.